everyone, it's GS Teaching here, and this is our first lesson. It's a science lesson. Liquids, gases, and solids. It's a 4th grade standard, so it's 4th grade level material. Look around your room. You may see tables, chairs, couches, or if you're in a classroom, you may see desks and all kinds of other things like chairs and pencils and all that kind of stuff. Everything you see takes up space because it's matter. Everything is matter. Your desk, your chairs, everything like I was saying. Even this table, that's matter. Speaking of that, we're going to do some examples of matter with liquids, gases, and solids. If you don't know what matter means, matter is everything around you. Okay, so let's get to the examples. So you see I have a football here. Now, this football has air in it. That's how it stays that firm. So, there's air inside, and air is a gas. Air is all around us. If we move, like let's say, there's still air inside. Air gets through those little gaps. It's all around us. Air is everywhere. Because it's matter, and matter's everywhere. So when this ball's flat, it doesn't have any air in it. But when you blow it up, more pressure builds up, and there's air in it, and that's gas. Now, let's get to the solids. So you see how this orange juice container here? This is a solid because can we bend it or stretch it or anything like that? You can't because it's a solid. It's all in one piece. Now let's get to the best example, the liquid. So you see I have these 2 cups. They're different sizes and shapes. So this has this much amount of water. So that's called volume. And volume is actually how much space something takes up. So do you think when we pour this water into this cup, it'll change the amount of water is in the cup actually? Well, no, it doesn't. Because the water amount will stay the same. It'll just change the shape. So watch. Is there less water than there was in this cup? Yes, there is, but it's wider too. So the water stays the same, it's just in a different shape. Now, since we did the examples, you're probably starting to understand it a little more. Let's dig even deeper. You can actually observe some physical properties with your sense of sight. You have 5 senses. Your sight of sense, nose, ears, and taste, and touch. Physical property is something you can observe with your 5 senses. Like this bottle we had here. You can see it, right? You can see through it, and there's a lot of other things, like the shape changes right here. There's some things that you can see through, like glass windows. You can see through the window, because it's a clear glass window. And we can see the window also, and we can also see through it. Many people wear shirts under wool sweaters, because wool sweaters feel a little too itchy. That is using your sense of touch. Sandpaper feels rough, but sand, it feels smooth. You can feel some things that you actually can't see. You can feel the push of the wind, but you can't see it. Also feel whether something is hot or cold. You can also taste matter, like this water. See? I can drink it. And, well, tastes like water. Because water is matter, and just like any other liquid, it's matter. You can also tell what something smells like this hand sanitizer bottle. It doesn't smell very good, but that's also matter. We can now conclude that matter is basically everything. It's everything, like water, and the air in footballs, and just the plastic on a bottle like this. Matter is anything that takes up space, and matter is also anything that you use your 5 senses with. Feel matter, hear matter, see matter, taste matter, and smell matter. So I hope you enjoyed our first lesson. So see you next time on GS Teaching. Don't forget to subscribe this video for more videos like this one.